Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Data Science. Today's topic is Python data types. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types: text type str, numeric type integer, float, complex, sequence types list, tuple, range, mapping type dictionaries, set types set, frozenset, boolean type true or false, binary types bytes, byte array, memory view. At the same time, one more, none type. For example, if we want to assign any value with the string format x equal str of, we can give any value like this. If we want to assign any integer, uh, you can assign like this: x equals 9, or you can use x equal integer of 7. By default, if you provide 9, it will take it as a integer. If you provide int inbuilt function, it if you want with casting. I am assigning the float value with the float inbuilt function like this. I am assigning x equal complex is 1j like this. If we want to create any tuple, if we want list, here we have the list tuple range. List is 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 6, 4 like this. You can check what is the type here. See list. You can assign tuple values like this. You can print x. This is the tuple format like this. Then after, what are the other types? Range. Range means, for example, x are equal to range of 8. Then you can print x. It will take the range of 0 to 8 values. This type of range will be useful while if we want to create any for loops. And then after, which type? Dictionary, set. You can assign as a dictionary. Dictionary means we will have the key and sorry, I did not use the inbuilt dict function. Now you can execute x. It is in dictionary format. X equal set of 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. Now you can set this is the set. Again, if you want to frozen set, you can use the x equal frozen set of apple, orange like this. You can print like this. If it is the you want to say boolean, then x equal to bool of 5. See, it says true. 1, it says true like this. If you want, you can assign bytes of 5 or 4. You can check if it is in the binary format. Like this, you can assign any value, whatever format you want to the any variable. For the bytes array, you can use x equal byte array like this, byte array. If you want, you can assign memory view. If we want to give memory view, we need to provide bytes. That's why I am providing bytes here. Sorry, I missed bytes. Now you can check